Hello, in today's video I will be discussing how to use the new welcome screen for Quicklaunch Education Edition. Upon entering the Quicklaunch enabled classroom, you will see the following screen, which contains a sign-in button and a QR code. This video will discuss the use of the sign-in button. Pressing the sign-in button will automatically launch a Microsoft sign-in screen, allowing the instructor to enter their username, password, and potentially an MFA code. After doing so, the user will be granted access to the Quicklaunch interface. Quicklaunch's meeting calendar, which is found under the Hybrid tab, will also be updated to show the proper calendar items. Once signed in, all Microsoft Action tiles can be launched and will be signed in with the user's information used at the welcome screen. After 15 minutes of inactivity, a meeting end, or pressing the button, a reset room will occur, signing the user out of Quicklaunch and their apps, and will require a sign-in to enter the room again. To use the welcome screen, you must make sure your required domains are properly set up in Quicklaunch's account settings. For information on how to set up and use accounts in Quicklaunch, please see the video linked in this description. For more information about Quicklaunch Education Edition, visit our website at ucworkspace.com/quicklaunch-education.